I'm good.
There you go. Think about
Here's
your
the
coffee.
rapids. Make sure you're yelling.
Oh my. Canoe.
Watch the nose of your canoe.
Oh my.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you get stuck, you gotta redeploy.
Whoa! Coming in full speed.
Coming in hot.
Well, I should get a cool looking boat. We all got shitty green ones.
I don't know, it's the luck of the dice. How leisurely. Yeah. See the mallard duck? Did you know that ducks have a corkscrew penis?
Why do you know this?
I think I've
I
heard
don't know.
that.
Don't
I
ask
think I've
why.
heard that somewhere.
And a duck's vagina is actually a maze. Like, it's an intricate labyrinth.
Wait, did you say a duck's?
A duck's vagina, yep.
Huh. I did not know that one, though. That's like a maze.
It's a maze. It's like a labyrinth. That's why the ducks have corkscrew penises.
I don't know how I appreciate this
Doesn't
information.
mean anything. All right, there is a small window in this beaver dam up ahead. You got to ram it right in the right spot.
Oh.
Hit the hole.
Not everyone at
Beaver
once.
dam. Oh, one at a time.
Not at one at a time. Ah!
Oh no.
So girthy. Sure does. Man, I really should have got a memory of that. Too bad.
Paxton's got memories of all of it.
Yeah, good.
Oh, always.
Always.
And I didn't contact Kez. Hell yeah.
That's right.
And
Ooh, rock.
hey, Paxton, don't hit
That was
the
a
rocks,
rock.
bud.
Yesterday when we came through, there was someone taking a bounty at that fort.
Gotta get it.
We got to watch a gun show while we paddled past.
Oh yeah. A local.
How'd you hit the one rock in the middle?
Goose.
Deer.
I wonder if we hit them with a canoe.
Try it.
Probably not.
Well, knock
I
people out.
love it, like
Take the
everybody.
deer out.
It's
Oh
fair.
shit!
Get 'em.
Nope.
Ah, missed it.
Go right over their head.
Oh,
He pushes the boat.
oh,
He pushes the boat.
It was
Deer
on your
pushed the
boat.
boat.
They're stronger than the canoe. Tells you something about a deer skull versus our skull.
Right?
Yeah.
It really does.
Oh, somebody crashed a hot air balloon over there.
Yeah. Happened a while ago. It's probably still on fire.
Well, it's been there a while, for sure.
Hey, there's a guy fishing up here.
Oh, well, don't hit him or anything, like near him. You don't want to interrupt his fish.
We're going to scare all the fish away when we paddle past.
That's true. Maybe we'll scare him towards him.
Hi, guy fishing. Don't worry, we'll leave you alone.
Have a lovely day, sir.
Sorry if we scared all your fish away by paddling by.
It's a nice suit to be wearing fishing. Starting to feel like you're a local, and I'm wasting my breath.
He is a local. We were just talking to... I'm surprised you didn't notice that.
No, I thought that was a real person.
I was intending on talking to a local.
Taking the small hole.
That's what she said.
You sure about that? Yeah, what happens if the gators decide they want to hop in these canoes?
That would be terrifying.
There's a gator up ahead.
Oh god.
Hi, gator.
Oh, do not
I
fucking
went
throw
under
me
the
out of
water.
this boat, I swear to God. If you throw me out of this boat in these waters,
Oh, they dive under, little bitches.
God, you're trying to kill me. I don't have life insurance. Oh God, I hear him.
Oh.
He growled at me.
He did.
Jesus, I'm going as fast as I can, Otto.
Oh.
Oh, we got a gator chasing us.
I
Yeah.
saw that.
Oh yeah, he's coming after you.
Oh my
Coming up
lord.
quick.
Holy crap.
They move fast.
Where'd
Right?
he go? I lost him.
I think he went deep. Like, he went down deeper.
Damn it. Shoot.
That was terrifying.
Bye, Paxton.
Keep going. Keep that.
There's a couple on the shore on the left here, I think. Oh, there's one straight ahead.
Oh.
Oh!
He's too
Oh look,
far
there's a
offshore.
bird over there too.
Hi, bird over there too.
Pretty.
There's a gate
Hi,
over there.
Kate. Where are you coming at? Bro, you better run away.
He's a lot bigger than you.
My canoe's bigger than him.
I don't know about that.
Who the fuck's shooting?
Oh, that was me, sorry. Shooting at the gator.
Oh, Jesus!
Oh, he's jumping in your
Oh,
boat!
Jesus!
He's in your boat! He's in your boat!
Jesus Christ! What the hell? Oh my God!
Oh my god!
I need to take a
Paxton,
second. I need to take a second. Oh my God!
Did you
Oh,
shit your pants?
a little
Oh,
bit.
you're not wearing pants. You just shit your boat.
I shit my boat in underwear. Goddamn!
Guess you need another bath
Thank you,
now.
Brown.
Jesus Christ!
That's
So
not
you're
mud,
wondering-
that's shit.
You're wondering what would happen if they jumped in your boat. That's it.
Jesus Christ! That was terrifying.
That's what you get
I was
for
scared
asking.
for you.
Well, now we know it can happen.
Yeah. Oh shit! That one's coming for you too, Paxton.
I hope not.
Oh god.
Stay the fuck over there.
Paxton.
You need to stay the fuck over there.
I'll just start calling you
It's setting
gator
up a
bait.
trap.
Paxton, let me jump in with you, mate.
You really want to try that?
Do it. No balls.
I have to.
Alright, get the fuck in.
Fuck
It's
You,
coming.
yeah.
you better get in here.
Oh
Yeah.
shit!
reckon?
No, it was. It dove
Come on.
under and started coming this direction.
There you go.
There you go.
I feel like this will be deadly.
They are quite active today, these gators.
Yeah, they are. Tez, you should run gator trips where you just take people out on canoes
Yeah.
in the swamp.
I knew a fella named Bars. He was doing swamp tours just like that. He'd take people out on boats and show them around. We could probably get a rowboat in here though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think they make a
take
swamp
bigger
boat
boat.
too.
Yeah. But I guess there's no boat dock.
Yeah, I can actually show the place for you here.
Yeah, there is.
But he's stuck in a little
Okay.
pond. You can't get in the river over here.
True.
For-
I don't think so, yeah. Unfortunately.
Yeah, you can.
What?
Can
Really?
you?
Yeah.
Huh.
Go, if you're looking at your map, go to the east of him, and then go south once you hit the shore again. And then there's a
wonder if
connecting
you can get a
river that
rowboat
takes you
through
down.
that. Yeah. That would be a long trek to get a rowboat all the way up the river to take people back down.
Yeah,
But
that's what people pay
it's
for.
doable. It's doable.
Yeah.
You done left or right?
Yes. Oh shit! Kez, why are you not sitting down anymore?
I wanted to see what kind of bird that was. A spoonbill. What is it?
Oh,
Spoonbill.
those ones are real pretty.
Just shoot Paxton the boat.
I swear to God. I'm not the one threatening to shoot.
I didn't threaten. I said I wondered if it would sink.
Let me test it on your boat.
Let me test it on your boat.
No! I'm in the boat.
Alright, Kez, your boat's up.
I mean, go ahead and try.
See, Ivy, she said I can.
Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should.
Don't hit me. Vi's boat looks like it's taking on a lot of water.
Your boat looked like it was taking on a lot of water, and then it kind of just popped back out.
After
I
you
really
shot
thought
it?
Yeah, I really thought I sank you at first. I felt really bad for a second.
I doubt it.
Just for a second.
Really? It was just for a second, but
Just
yeah,
for
I
a
felt
split
bad.
second. A little bit of remorse crept in, and then it was fleeting. Just went away.
If it was Paxton's, I wouldn't have felt bad at all.
That's probably the truest thing you've said all day.
No.
This place is truly beautiful
Shit.
at sunset.
Sorry, ladies. I'm not trying to hit anybody.
Short.
I like this story.
I really wasn't.
Oh, shit. Gator.
Where's it at? I want to pet it.
The sunset
Right,
is
from my
very
boat.
pretty.
I don't see it.
On
That's probably a good thing.
Pet it.
No.
Isn't there a waterfall we can take these off of?
Not around here. The waterfall was right before we put our boats in. But there's that bridge that we started at. Right behind the bridge. That's the waterfall you can go over. The waterfall before that, Brandywine drop, no one will be fine after that.
Have you tried it?
Yep.
Oh, you're fine. You're still good. You're talking.
Yeah, that's
breathing.
true. That's true. Locals have to fish you out, though.
Hi,
Snake.
Snake.
I hit it with my paddle.
Better than
Didn't
a
want
gator, I
that.
suppose.
Oh, shit!
Oh, Jesus!
Yep, he got it. He got it. Scared the shit out of me.
What the hell was that?
That was dynamite.
Oh, jeez.
I shot the lantern next to the dynamite
Yeah,
and
oh,
it
the
exploded the
lantern.
dynamite.
Yeah. Good shot.
Thank you. I wonder if the log gets a notice of an explosion. What the locals
I
call
don't
it.
know. That's a good question. I don't think so, but maybe.
These trees are beautiful.
They really are.
I feel like it's haunted.
Definitely has a spooky feel to it.
It does, but it's very pretty at the same time.
Oh, and it won't let you? Oh no.
Oh, you are.
Damn it! You wouldn't let me in either.
Oh. You got denied.
It said no right away.
They clinched, did not
Yeah.
allow.
Is that kind of like a hall? I think it is.
In front of us? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
They should have a boat dock here.
Yeah, they should.
That would be nice, yeah.
We could go upriver.
Especially because they have one at
Yeah.
Braithwaite, so put one right down here.
Yep.
Be perfect.
Especially since they won't let anybody buy it.
Yeah. Oh man. Maybe we can bring it up to the
Yeah.
government and see if
Yeah,
They might.
boat dock right here.
yeah.
This man fishing? You don't need to fish. You could just distribute boats.
Exactly.
Well, there's plenty of room beside him too if another guy wants to come while he's fishing.
Yeah, 2 guys can come at once. Ah, Paxton!
Heavy, heavy.
Sorry.
Why are we oh!
Oh no.
Oh shit, shit. Raining. Kez, your boat's full of water.
Your boat's full of water. Everyone's boat's full of water.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. In my eyes, your boat's fully underwater and you're just kinda hovering on water.
I mean, it's not underwater for me,
On
but I
the
definitely can see
siren.
water in it.
Let's see if we can make our way to that boat dock, gentlemen. We can go under this bridge. Oh no, it stops. Up ahead. The railroad goes through. You can't get under that railroad.
Not with that attitude.
Oh.
So, we can't even make it to the other boat. Captain.
Oh,
No, we
snap.
can't make it.
Oh!
Okay.
Yeah, Paxton's right.
ow.
Not with that attitude.
Ow!
Duck, duck, goose.
Wait.
Wait, we lost
Violet,
one.
you
We lost
alright?
one.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Gator, where?
You made it.
Wait, is that?
Oh, she's good. She's good.
Okay. We're on land. We're on land. Get the fuck away from this land before a
not on
gator
land.
comes.
We almost
I
lost
don't
one.
want to get eaten by a gator.
Well, I didn't want her getting eaten by a gator, so I wanted to make her.
Where are they going?
I don't know.
Now turned around. Oh, here they come.
Turn for the boat dock, guys. That's where we're going.
Oh.
Guys,
Yeah.
thought we were going to the boat dock, guy.
Oh, yeah. I thought he was up ahead. Sorry.
No,
Go
that's
ahead.
the turn. The turn's back here.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Get in the boat.
Oh no.
The boat.
My boat.
Get
Nick.
in.
No.
Get on, get on, get on!
Come over here. I got a boat.
Oh, God.
Panic. Where'd Nick
Your
go?
boat just sink?
He's up here. He's
Oh,
right
yeah.
here.
Yeah, my boat sunk. I don't know what
Oh
happened there.
no.
I'm gonna try this.
Get a new one.
I think he's trying.
Oh,
Hopefully.
oh shit.
Oh,
Oh shit, I'm so sorry.
No, you knocked her out.
And
You knocked her out.
And
And
her
she's
No, I
out.
didn't.
Get her
No, I
out.
didn't.
Get her out. Get her out.
she's good.
Load? Okay, she's good. Okay. Oh, thank God.
I'm alright.
And
Oh my God.
Oh,
I was
God.
so
Oh,
scared.
God.
I thought you got knocked out. We wouldn't be able to
Chaos
fish
makes
you out of
it
the water.
fun.
My
Just
boat
relaunch, but one at a time.
There we go.
Settle in. No? Get. Where,
Oh.
where are you going?
Oh, sh-
You can't sit?
Water, yeah. Ah, no,
Oh,
no, no,
my
no,
boat's
no.
full of water?
the same as you trying to get into his boat sometimes.
Yeah. I'm sure I hit something and there's a hole in my
There we go.
boat.
Could be,
There it
yeah,
is.
Could be. It seems that your boat is full of water.
I wonder if it has something to do with the bullet hole in the side of it.
Maybe.
I don't know what you're talking about. Why would anybody shoot guys?
I don't
I
know.
don't see her.
She stopped
Just
back
standing.
there a bit.
Oh, no? Oh, didn't want to jump out. Didn't want to jump out. Get back in.
I'll go check on her.
She got knocked out.
Oh no! Go, go, go.
Oh, she's back. Hold on.
Oh.
She's got a
Oh.
candle in her hand. I think she was trying to pull a torch out. Oh, nope. Oh, she's paddling. She's paddling. She's coming. The candle is crazy. And my boat sank.
Oh no.
Yo, Paxton, do you mind if I warm myself with the pee a little bit over here?
What is it? What'd you
Do
say?
you mind if I warm myself with the pee a little bit?
Odd when you have a.
I
Torch.
couldn't find a torch.
Oh,
You want me to,
there you go.
you want to rub
Yeah,
what?
you-
What?
You look like you're knocked out.
It's because she's holding a torch.
Do you need off the boat?
No, no. Never mind.
She has a candle in her hand, that's why.
Oh, if you search for hold a torch or hold torch,
I just typed
something
torch.
like that.
Mhm.
What you
Yeah,
mean? You just
flex
type
your
torch?
fourth finger in the left side. There you go.
Not rowing with my head anymore. Okay. We got it.
Turn, turn, turn.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little.
Turn around.
Every now and then I get a little. I don't know the words.
Yeah.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired, then I have to rest my oars.
Turn around, right.
Every now and then I burn myself with a torch, and I have to plunge it under the water. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit sidetracked and I don't know where I am. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little distracted and I don't know what I was doing a minute ago.
I don't think we're getting under that bridge.
Oh no, no.
Not with that
But we
attitude.
can get under this beautiful.
Gazebo.
I want to see if we make it under the bridge first. That's
I doubt it.
I got full speed ahead.
We're
Gonna
too
hurt.
tall.
Yeah, this thing don't work.
No, you just hit it.
Damn.
Yep.
Or even the boat's too tall to even try.
That's true, Paxton. I'm sure we can penetrate this shit. I've been through worse.
Nope.
Ram it a bunch of times. You got
Been
it.
through worse, that's for sure.
You ram it hard enough, you'll get through eventually. You'll penetrate it.
You at least gotta try.
But this one, not even the tip
You
mate.
can't make it.
Damn.
We tried.
This was it. It's the end of the tour.